Hey, and welcome back. Today's technology can be used to maximize your business productivity as messaging apps such as Telegram help to deliver messages faster and to send to a mass audience simultaneously. There are several ways to make money with Telegram, and I'll be covering the most exciting part of this video training, which is how to use Telegram to generate revenue for your business. Business coaching via Telegram is an opportunity, as it gives you the opportunity to engage and connect with your clients. Setting up group chat saves time, as coaching groups of participants makes things effective, as you can reach up to 5,000 people. It also saves money when you can communicate wherever you are without the need to travel. In addition, files of different types can be shared and received up to a maximum size of 1.5 gigabytes each. And the cross-platform availability makes Telegram an extremely powerful and flexible communication tool. If you know what your profit per hour or per day is as a business owner, consider that when you're using Telegram. Time saved equals money well spent on other more important matters like strategy meetings or sales calls. Apart from creating groups, there's also a feature called Channel, which you have covered earlier that can be used for broadcasting your messages to mass audiences. You can either set the channel private or public, or invite people to join the channel by sending them an invitation link. How you want to use it is like this. Let's say you want to launch a new product or a service. So what you do is you email or communicate out the Telegram channel for people to join. In your communication, you can mention that the details will only be revealed on Telegram. And if they join the channel, they'll be able to receive insider-only promotions and exclusives. Create a campaign around it and make it viral and irresistible to take up the offer. That way, what happens is that you'd start building your customer database and creating engagement with your customers. This, when compared to traditional advertising on newspaper, radio, or TV, is way cheaper and much more flexible. It also makes the quality and targeting of your customers better as it pre-qualifies them. For example, let's say you're doing a launch on a new makeup set. The people joining your channel or group would, of course, be ladies that are interested in the product and not just some random person. This makes the participants of the group more targeted, and the quality of conversations and engagement that happen in the group would also be higher. Also, your cost per customer is lowered when you're using Telegram because it's highly targeted. You can also consider upselling high-ticket products to your first-time buyers after their initial investment by building a list. You heard that right. That's the whole idea of building a list, right? Internet is where people are actively seeking for solutions to their problems, and these buyers are more realistic and less demanding as they're looking on the value of the products. By having the contacts of these people, it's an advantage for you to reach them as long as you're promoting something that you know offers great value to the buyers. Via Telegram, you're able to have quick interactions with these people and persuade them to purchase the products offered, conducting surveys to discover the gap of the market and getting feedback on the products. All these can help to maintain good relationship with the clients besides improving on the sales as well. URL shortening is the unnoticed gem in digital marketing as it gives you many benefits such as making it more manageable, improving the customer experience, encouraging sharing, and increasing brand awareness and generating site traffic. Short URLs also develop tracking and help you measure your effectiveness. How you can earn money via URL shortening is you get paid by each link clicked by the visitors. An intermission ad will be displayed for 5 seconds, and you're paid for having that visitor see the advertisement. With Telegram, you're able to share shortened URLs with trending topics and get paid per click. And you'll earn more when you join groups which contain more members and more earning when they share the links and become your referrals. Pay-per-download networks, or PPD networks, are platforms that allow you to earn money with your files by locking it with an advertisement or survey before people download it. Every time someone tries to access your file, they need to answer a survey or fill up the form before they can download. Telegram helps get more downloads by generating more traffic when you share links where you find the file is related and suits the interests of the people you shared the links with. So when you have a good record and experience in making money, you'll be able to join more PPD networks, as there are sites that are picky in accepting new members.